This is James. Like many others, James wants to start up his own business, but he just doesn't know what to do. He has looked everywhere, but there are just too many different ways. Sadly, James does not know which of these methods are most efficient and least likely to fail. So, we have made a top 3 for James. And you guys who are also wanting to start your very own business, let's jump straight into the businesses James is looking to try out. Please like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. An e-commerce store. Demand is super high for these services due to the recent external factors, where 150 million people made their first ever purchase online. James is going to jump straight into this trend, and being a Shopify, it has minimal startup costs and is very secure to prevent failure. So, James is going to start this on the side, putting minimal effort into the business, as it doesn't require much labor, and due to the small costs, he does not have to be distressed about high investment and the chances of failure, but he can be excited about the future growth of his new business. The next business James is trying is dropshipping, where a business owner sells goods online without actually keeping goods in stock. I know, sounds like a cheat code, right? This means all James has to do is wait for an order, then notify the retailer to send that good straight to the customer. That is it. Then your business keeps a fee from this purchase. Not only is it an easy source of income and a great business to start, it is also projected to see over 28% in compound annual growth rate through 2025, making it ideal to move into this online business like James. Affiliate marketing. James saw lots of succession through the online business, where commonly cost is low, labor is low, and that means each of the businesses have low risk, but can provide high reward. James, therefore, began affiliate marketing, where clients will pay rewards, commissions and/or fees in exchange of referrals or purchases. Like the others, is predicted to only grow as a niche, meaning demand can only get stronger, growing the market for the business. James began by gaining an audience, which is crucial for affiliate marketing. He did this by looking back through our channel and watching promotion methods for your business and why you need a YouTube channel. Once he had gained a following, income just flowed through. Very little labor is needed, and James has loads of time on his hands whilst having another great online business. So, James has now used all 3 of these methods, all gaining him great succession and little failure. Which did he prefer, you may ask? James recommends that you follow which you have the most interest in. Is it creating a following using channels such as YouTube? Is it drop shipping goods where you are almost a middleman? Or do you like to be the main person like an e-commerce store? If you are unsure, then I will follow up with more videos looking into more depth of each of these examples. Or if, like James, you are interested in them all, then he says go for it. Due to the low startup costs, James was able to explore all 3 methods on a budget, which he recommends you try as well. I hope you found this video helpful and now aspire to start up your own business with little fear. Remember, James says go for it.